Greetings and welcome from Seton Hall University. In this video, we'll show you how to use the FERPA form to grant a parent, guardian, or other eligible person access to your educational records. This will give them the ability to discuss your information with Seton Hall faculty, staff, or administrators. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, is a federal regulation that limits your parent's ability to access your student information once you enroll at Seton Hall and are 18 years or older. This means your parents do not have the right to view your grades, transcripts, or any other educational records without your consent. Without your signed authorization, your parents also do not have the right to call and question about your financial aid, tuition bill, status, or activities. You can complete the FERPA authorization form in PirateNet to grant third-party access to your information. Log in to your Seton Hall University PirateNet account by visiting piratenet.shu.edu. If you are a new student, look for the new Student Orientation app. If this is not on your home screen, use the search bar to add it. If you are a current student, look for the Seton Hall University Portal app. When you click on the app, it will bring you to a new web page. Click on the Academics tab and select the FERPA Authorization Form link in the FERPA section. To provide authorization to an individual, click the Add New FERPA Authorization Record button at the bottom of the screen. Proceed with filling in the required information on the form. Enter the name of the person and that person's relationship to you. Select the scope of access being granted to the designated person. Please note that unlimited access encompasses all educational records, including academic, billing, financial aid, and disciplinary information. Create a PIN using a 4-digit number and be sure to provide it to the authorized party. Click the Add Record button to complete the process. You will see a pop-up window that confirms your request has been successfully processed. If you scroll back up to the top of the screen, you will see the person's information has been added to the FERPA authorization list. If at any point you decide to remove a person from your list or change their scope of access to your records, you can click either the Update Information checkbox or the Remove Access box next to their name. If the authorized individual needs to meet with a school official in person, he or she can provide a valid form of ID to verify his or her identity or provide the PIN number. If the individual inquiring about your records is doing so by phone, he or she will need to provide the PIN number to verify their identity before information can be released. If the caller does not know the PIN, you will need to go online to view the PIN that was entered and provide it to the authorized individual. The FERPA authorization form does not entitle the authorized party to obtain copies of your records or documents, nor does it grant online access to your information. The primary purpose of this authorization is to enable the authorized third party to discuss matters pertaining to academic, billing, or financial matters. Please keep in mind that there is a separate process for providing someone access to your Bursar account to view and pay your bill. You can review the steps for this process at the link on the screen. To learn more about the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, please visit www.ed.gov/FERPA. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Please reach out to us at any time if you have any questions.